Following the example of most meme coins, the founder of Saitama is anonymous. According to its white paper, its creator launched it in May 2021 with the aforementioned vision, but had to renounce ownership of the project due to personal reasons. However, a group of individuals that found the goal valuable and impactful took over the project and continued developing it. The project is now headed by Steve at Rocket Crypto, a crypto YouTuber with over 56,000 subscribers. He is joined by 6 other individuals, all of whom are also doxed on the project website. The live Saitama price today is 1.98 times 10 to the power of -8 US, with a 24-hour trading volume of 34,466,292 US. Saitama is down 8.3% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 2842. With a live market capital of not available. The circulating supply is not available, and a maximum supply of 100 quadrillion Saitama coins. If you would like to know where to buy Saitama, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Saitama stock are currently Gate.io, MEXC, LBank, XT.com, and Bitmart. This is cryptocurrency worldwide. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. Now, let's dive on Saitama Inu. What is this thing? Saitama Inu, or is commonly referred to as Saitama, is a community-driven token, or simply a platform that is known to be wanting to develop solutions in order to educate the next generation of investors and make crypto safe and simple for everyone out there. In other words, Saitama is a community-promoted and managed token, where a certain percentage of each and every transaction over the platform is said to be redistributed amongst holders. As per the platform's white paper, Saitama is said to focus on Gen Z investors, out of which about 93% are known to feel frustrated or confused when it comes to financing. Therefore, Saitama's vision is to simply provide them with content that is useful in teaching them as to how money works while they invest, thus opening opportunities for wealth creation. In order to achieve this, the platform plans to develop its very own ecosystem, which is known to include a smart wallet, a marketplace, a multi-channel content platform, as well as an NFT, non-fungible token-based launchpad platform. Before moving on any further, it is worth knowing that, as seen in the case of most meme coins, the founder of Saitama is also anonymous. However, the creator of the platform launched it in May last year, but, as said, they had to renounce the ownership of the project due to some personal reasons, which is why a group of individuals that found its goal to be somewhat valuable and impactful took over the said project and continued developing it. As of today, Saitama Inu is headed by Steve at Rocket Crypto, a cryptocurrency-based YouTuber with over 56,000 subscribers. Also, Saitama is known to be the native utility token of Saitama Inu, which, as a matter of fact, can be used for a variety of purposes on the platform itself. On a similar note, the Saitama token is an Ethereum-based token, which means that all of its transactions are recorded on the popular Ethereum blockchain ledger. As said, the goal of the platform is to simply make financial well-being accessible to all, and it plans to do this by its tokens gains as well as by educating the next generation of investors on virtual currencies. In addition to this, the operations of Saitama Inu are more or less similar to what we see in most of its popcoin peers. Furthermore, Saitama is a deflationary token, which means that it is bound to have a capped total supply, and it is known to lower the overall supply systematically with the help of token burns. Speaking of supplies, Saitama has a total supply of about 100 quadrillion, which is over 100 times greater than that of the very popular Shiba Inu, which itself has been long criticized for its huge supply. Apart from this, the network is known to take about a 4% fee on every transaction, half of which goes to a burn address in order to permanently remove those tokens from circulation. Not just that, the other half is redistributed amongst the wallets of all Saitama holders as talked about earlier. So what makes Saitama special? Unlike what we usually see in a majority of other meme coins, Saitama promises to be able to feature a complete ecosystem that is known to give its token real value. Also, its Saitamask wallet, which is said to launch by the end of September this year, is a smart wallet that makes crypto easy for any level of investor, and is known to allow investors to simply keep track of their investments. Moreover, this will also help in connecting the users to an educational platform, the NFT store, as well as the marketplace. Moving further, Saitama is a marketplace that is known to allow community members to buy goods as well as services, presumably merchandising. Apart from this, Saitama will be a non-fungible token-based launchpad platform that will be able to support users in the community in order to create and launch projects based on Saitama. On the other hand, the Saitama edutainment platform is said to be a multi-channel content platform with several content formats that simply educate on how to invest, save, manage money, as well as create wealth opportunities while entertaining the audience as mentioned earlier. All of this is simply done by keeping Gen Z as the target audience in mind, as Saitama is looking to set itself apart from other projects in the marketplace by having a content at the core of its business. Other than developing proprietary content, Saitama Inu plans on having a community-operated business under the hashtag #SaitaEDU, where content creators all across the globe can profit from sharing their knowledge and talent about finance. Finale, what are your thoughts on Saitama Inu? Do let us know in the comments area. To know more about various cryptocurrencies, do check out other videos we have on our channel. Thank you for your time, and if you found our content informative, do share it with your investor friends.